Good morning, everyone. I'm here in Banahaw because of the problem with my father. Na we need to find it. What you make it albularyo to find and tracing my father. We walk in 1 hour and going to my broom in this place that find out of house that you parking. Ay nako, buhay talaga, parang life. We find it because I'm a poor man to find my father, because